How do pop-up matcha drink stands create premium experiences? They create premium experiences by combining carefully prepared drinks, attractive presentation, thoughtful service, and a memorable brand atmosphere. A pop-up matcha stand begins with high-quality matcha because its color, smell, and taste strongly affect what customers think of the drink. Staff should sift the matcha first, then whisk it with a small amount of warm water until it becomes smooth and slightly foamy. Water that is too hot can make matcha taste bitter, so water around 170 degrees Fahrenheit works better than boiling water. The stand can offer a small menu with clear choices, such as classic matcha, matcha with milk, and one seasonal flavor, instead of overwhelming people with too many options. Premium service also comes from explaining the drink in simple words, such as saying that ceremonial-grade matcha is smoother and brighter, while other grades may taste stronger. Clean cups, attractive layers, fresh garnishes, and a consistent color make the drink feel special before the customer even takes a sip. One detail many people miss is the sound and movement of preparation, because whisking matcha in front of customers creates a small performance and helps them trust that the drink is freshly made. To make this actionable, test each recipe with measured amounts, design one recognizable serving style, and train every worker to describe the menu with the same friendly explanation. A common mistake is using boiling water, which can produce a harsh flavor, so let the water cool before mixing. Another mistake is making the menu too large, because slow decisions and long lines weaken the premium feeling, so keep the main choices limited. Some stands also focus heavily on decorations, while ignoring speed and cleanliness, so make sure the preparation area looks organized and each order is served promptly. It is also easy to assume that a higher price alone makes a drink feel premium, but customers usually judge value through flavor, service, packaging, and the whole experience, so make every part feel intentional. If you enjoyed the video, check out our online resources that can really help get your business started in the description below.